So in today we're going to focus a little bit about the math component on Scratch. So by saying math, we are talking about how would you like to move a sprite, and how are we going to plan the transition, or maybe a rocket gliding from one place to the other, or it may be a star moving from one place to another. And sometimes we can just pick a random position, and sometimes we can set a different location for it to show. So in this case, we need to calculate most of it using the multiplier and the operators here. There are different operations we can do: plus, minus, multiplication, and sorry, let me just make sure nobody's outside. Multiplication, or you can pick a random number, or you can do a different comparison, such as greater than, or less than, or equal. Try to compare different numbers, and also do some logical operations. The logical operation can be things like, okay, if this rocket right now is hiding. It's here. It's hiding. If it's hiding, and then if it's hiding, and if mouse click, then we will make it show. So this is called a logical operation. And there's a or not. So this is all these different operator we can use when doing a Scratch. So before we are trying to present any project, since there's Jolene is new here, he doesn't have any background on Scratch yet. Let me just go a little bit brief introduction. So this Scratch website, you can go to scratch.mit.edu here, and then just apply an account. And once you apply account, and then you can file a new project. So let me just get a new project. So once you get a new project, and then you will see a cat here. That's a main character, or that's a sprite. And you can change the backdrop by clicking backdrop here and select different scenes. There are so many different scenes you can choose. And you can add some more sprite. Like in today's project, Joshua add this as his main sprite. And then once you did this, if you would like to move it or change the look, you just press this to here. Usually we have to do a
event
when click, and then this ball will move 10 steps, or maybe 200 steps. When click, it will move 200 steps like that. So it's just 1 minute introduction just for Jordan, or for those who are new here. All right. So we are going to start with again, and the game like last time is Kahoot. So this is a login game. You need to open another browser. So you have a Zoom, and you have another Kahoot. Go to Kahoot, KAHOOT.IT, and enter.
So it's 238 438.
So if you go to here, Kahoot, and enter the pin again. 23A43A. Right here. 23A43A. Enter. And then you can put your name. Let me show. The game pin here. 23A43A. 23A43A. So right now I see myself. I see Hero.
That's me. That's my Scratch username.
Okay.
I'm in.
Julie, would you like to log in? You know how to open the browser?
No, you go to the new tab. New tab?
Or we can start playing. Mason, would you like to log in to Kahoot?
Yeah.
Just open the browser and go to kahoot.it.
I don't know where I'm
kahoot.it. Jolene, would you like to join? You need help or?
Oh yeah, you gotta go here.
Oh, Aiden, we lost you.
What?
We lost Aiden. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, he's here. Or maybe we can start playing and you guys can still join along the way.
Can we start now?
Yeah, sure.
Log in.
23A43A. You can still see the pin code.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So in this Kahoot game, we are going to ask you some questions about your Scratch knowledge, and then you can answer true or false. Okay, let's start.
Okay, that should be easy enough.
The very first question.
Wait. Not yet, not yet.
True or false?
A Scratch spread can be turned clockwise or counterclockwise.
So
Is it
square
true
is
or
true,
false?
right?
And if you would like to join the game, this is a pin.
Kahoot.it.
A Scratch sprite can be turned clockwise or counterclockwise.
Yeah.
This is a game pin. True.
Oh, what's the
Yeah.
Kahoot.
Okay, who's in first place? Okay.
Nice.
Next.
Second, there are 360 degrees in a circle. Is it true or false? There are 360 degrees in a circle. True or false? Are you able to log in, Jolene and Mason? You go to Kahoot, kahoot.it and enter this password 23A43A. Oh, correct. Great. Next question.
No. Yeah, just play the next one.
Wow, what a competition.
There are 360 degrees in a circle, but Scratch divide the 360 degree into 0 to 180, like here, and 0 to negative 180. So this circle and this circle. Is it true or false? True or false?
180. That's true or false?
Yeah.
If it's true, then you click red.
Correct.
I'm gonna press
Even though they are 360 degrees, but Scratch divided to positive 180
And negative.
and negative 180.
We gotta go back to this screen.
Great job. Oh, Mason is in.
Yeah.
Jolene, you need help?
Wow, PC Josh.
Go
You're
to
good.
kahoot.it and enter this scan pin 23A43.
Woohoo, I'm on
Then you should
fire.
be able to log in to play with us.
Yeah, so now.
Next question. The center of XY coordinate is 0 and 0. So this cat is standing on 0 and 0. True or false? True is blue, false is red. You have to switch among your browser. Okay. Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
We got one more person. Okay, Jordan is in. Cool. Next question.
Okay, come here.
If you move 4 steps twice, then you move 8 steps. So first time you move 4 steps, and second time you move additional 4 steps. So how many steps you moved in total? Is it 8 steps? Through, click blue, and fourth, click red.
This is so easy.
Everybody's correct. Nice.
Obviously.
Change your background.
So this is a little bit tricky because you have to switch between your Zoom browser and your Kahoo browser. If you play for a second time, you probably will get used to it.
Okay.
A random number is a number selected by chance. What is a random number? Did you pick any one? Just arbitrary? True is blue, false is red. A random number is a number selected by chance.
Woohoo!
That's correct.
I'm on fire.
All right. Rolling a dice is like picking a random number between 1 and 6. True or false? Picking a random number between 1 or 6. Rolling a dice. 3 seconds. Everybody is correct this time. Nice. We are done with this game. Oh, Mason is number 3. DC Josh is number 2. Aiden is the number 1. Great job. Runner up. Almost.
That was a fun game.
That's pretty much about this game. So right now, we're going to share our very first project. I will let Joshua to do that to present his spiral. Can you share your screen, Joshua? And you have to unmute yourself. Yeah, you did unmute. Okay.
That one. Let me switch it.
Yeah. You can see your screen right now. Scratch.
Well, finally, I got first place.
Joseph? There's a new person.
Where's the thing?
Just click the scratch here. Just click the scratch.
What scratch?
Yeah, that scratch.
Scratch me at
Okay.
mit.edu.
Not this one.
My staff.
Not this one.
The third one. The third one.
Yeah.
The third
Banana
one.
bat
Yeah.
with spiralizer.
Finalize. Inside.
So let me first play it. See? Spiral. So
Okay.
I added a ball sprite, and in the costume tab, you could change the color, the ball's color by opening one of the tabs over here. So the code is when click set size to 30%. So in the beginning it is this small. So 30% is that small. And go to X0 and that means it will go to the middle. And forever quick clone myself. Quick clone myself means it will duplicate itself. And next costume. So in the costume tab. So from the first costume, it will change its costume from the beginning to the end, whatever. And then turn 34 degrees. When I start a clone, whatever, move 10 steps, and if touching edge, then it will be this clone. So that means it's touching the edge over here, and it will delete the clone. So over here you could change the degree. I want it to be, how about 50 degrees? And over here you could change it to, how about 40? See? Now it's like this.
Maybe you can like make after the move 40 steps, maybe at a rest so that it won't just keep on going and it's too fast that the human eye can't see.
Wait 1 second. You mean add a wait 1 second?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
So you see what will happen.
Maybe just like 0.01 seconds.
0.1.
Sure.
Whoa.
Can you change the angle to smaller, like just for
24.
Yeah, maybe just. Oh yeah, okay, 24.
No, this is too much.
And move the steps, yeah, to smaller.
10. Now.
Wow, that's better.
Like a machine gun, right?
Yeah.
So now
so this is a very easy first project for you to do.
So I have some. So I have a lot of projects.
Wait. Can
Which
you
one?
go back a little bit, just so other people would you like to do something similar by yourself, and then you can just drag it and create something similar of your own?
How many followers do you have?
We didn't count. Probably not much because we didn't promote, and we just started this for 2 weeks, or this is our 3rd week. Yeah. Do you, Aiden, do you have some similar project you would like to share?
I have a lot.
Yeah.
Did you?
This is your project, right?
Yeah, I have a lot.
Would you like to maybe share your screen?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, just take your share screen.
I have played
Wait, how do I share
very
my screen
easy
again?
the jungle of this one before.
Yeah, Joshua like to
Wait.
play this one again. Maybe you can explain a little bit how you did this.
Well, that was a remix, so you can go to the original game. I just took away the spikes so that there are no more rage warnings because the original game is really hard. So
Yeah. you remix this from here.
39 speed.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
This one.
I see.
Whoa, a lot of code.
Well, and also I changed the music.
Do you have any math part that you can explain? If this is not your original project, maybe you can show us.
Okay. Maybe so I have a platform game that I made by myself. I did put it in the notes and credits the person who had the code. So maybe I could do something else like that. Doesn't have much math in it. Like it's only a bunch of multiplying and then multiplying variables and blah blah blah.
Okay, yeah, you can explain a little bit about the math to us today, because today we are focusing more on the math part.
Okay.
Yeah, since Joseph just joined, maybe I can review a little bit what we just talked earlier. Because today our topic is about math. So I would say introducing different coordinate how the coordinate system works in Scratch. So I need to share my screen tab to better explain. But before that, Aiden, are you able to share it?
Oh yeah, I think I can. Okay. Let's see. My screen. 5, 4. Why won't it let me? It won't let me, so oh well.
Okay,
Maybe I can.
I can share my part first, and then and if
Maybe like you can do something like search my name and then do
What's your name?
click on the game and then
sure.
Hip Hop Frog.
and then I can like tell you guys how it works.
Hip Hop Frog.
Hip
HIPHOPFROG.
Hop Frog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one has that.
It's the second one.
This
yeah.
one?
Yeah.
Avoid spikes. Oh, don't let
You
him
use the air.
use the arrow keys. Don't let this guy touch the combs.
Use the arrow key.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or WAD arrow keys or mobile.
Ah.
You have unlimited lives, so
I could share my screen and play it.
Okay. Let's go inside.
Oh yeah.
I accidentally hit a bunch of remixes. So like one time I think I accidentally remixed
What?
Rick Hatch's Geometry Dash.
Oops.
Wait. Who is sharing right now?
PC Joshua.
Oops.
Okay, can you go into the code so that we can see?
Yeah, you can click see inside. So you can first, and then like, I use 2 custom blocks called death and reset. And then,
Whoa. La la la.
Can you go to the very front?
okay, so first I need to reset, and so we can go to the reset block, that one. So it's set what x velocity to 0 means, and y velocity to 0, that means no movements, or else like the player would like keep on skipping. So and then I switch costume center, and then clear graphic effects, because like we don't want any effects like after the like in the death, like you have like I'll just say that there's a bunch of like graphic effects like change size by blah blah blah, and then like we want it to return to its original size, and then set size to 100%, show, and then go to X, and then wherever place you want the players to spawn, and then
Can you explain a little bit about the X and Y coordinate? So negative 180 and negative 10 approximately will show up where on the screen?
I don't want the person playing to see
that. If you navigate to the screen, there's an X and Y on the right. You know,
yeah.
A little bit up. I just
you
want
mean
to show to Joseph, since he was like joined a little bit later. That was the one I want to show, the coordinate system. So the center part is 0 and 0.
Yeah, so
every scratch.
it's negative. So it's 180 pixels to the left, and then 10 pixels down.
Yeah. And can you click point in direction? 90.
Yeah.
That one. Can you click it?
Yeah. Well, if you can like take apart the code and then click it.
Yeah. Who is sharing the screen right now? Joshua?
Who?
Oh. Okay.
I am.
You are?
I thought you deleted this.
No. What?
This thing. I thought you deleted it.
What?
This project. I thought you
What
deleted
project?
it. The project that we're viewing, Untitled 3.
Don't worry. You will not be able to delete other people's project. It's just deleting a remix version, I think.
Oh.
Yeah, so no worry. Because you can remix other people's project by just click remix. So then you will create a local copy on my stuff here. So if right now I go to my stuff, you see this is the copy I just remixed from you. But I can modify everything.
Right? Yeah.
But it won't affect anything on your original
Yeah.
file. So this is a part I want to show. And there are 300 degrees in a circle, but Scratch use like 90 and up to 180. And if you keep turning, then it will become negative because it's from the counterclockwise again to 180. So that's how Scratch uses it. And this is the X and Y. So if you move this to the middle, you should see this is approximately to 0, 0. Let me see if I can.
That's.
If I type it 0,
I just saw 7-Eleven.
yeah. And we have 1 minute left because I'm using a free version of the Zoom. So any question before we end it? Yeah, it's a little bit short today. I think I start the meeting a little bit earlier, so it counts waiting time. But by the time you reach, the minute will end by itself. Yeah. Any question or what other topic we want to talk about for next time?
Whoa! Ow. I'm okay.
You have any Joseph? You have any comment?